ready to experience the thrill of a live concert from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into how to make the most of Weverse Live. First things first, ensure you have the Weverse app downloaded and a registered account. Once logged in, navigate to the Live tab located at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find all the upcoming live concerts. Look for the specific concert you're interested in. If you haven't purchased a ticket yet, you'll see a clear buy ticket or similar button. Tapping this will guide you through the purchase process. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your ticket type and complete your payment. Once your ticket is confirmed, you'll be all set to join the live stream. On the day of the concert, as the start time approaches, the concert banner in the Live tab will update. Simply tap on it to enter the live stream room. Weverse Live offers multiple viewing options. You can often choose between a main single camera view or a multi-view that lets you see different angles simultaneously. Explore these options to find your preferred way to watch. Now for the truly interactive part. During the concert, you'll have access to a real-time chat. Engage with other fans from around the world, share your excitement, and you might even see your comments noticed by the artists themselves. Don't forget to utilize the special emoji and cheering features designed for these live events. They're a fantastic way to show your support and create a vibrant atmosphere, even remotely. With these steps, you're ready to enjoy an immersive and interactive virtual concert experience on Weverse Live. Get ready to cheer, sing along, and make unforgettable memories.